There is a voice inside my head. It never stops, it's never fed. It tells me what went wrong today. It makes me fear what's on the way. I tried to fight it, tried to run, tried to silence it, everyone. But the more I pushed, the more it grew. I was lost in something I never knew. But then I learned the simplest thing, the key that opens everything. You don't have to go where it leads, just step back and watch it breathe. I am the watcher, not the voice I hear. I am the stillness behind every fear. The mind keeps talking, but I don't have to follow. I am the watcher, still and whole. The guilt came back from 3 weeks past. The doubt said nothing good will last. The fear said, look, you're falling behind. These were the stories of my mind. Not broken, no, it meant no harm. It only wanted to keep me calm. But asking fear to cure the fear was the trap that held me here. Until I found that quiet place that watches thought with open grace. No need to fight, no need to flee. Just notice and be free. I am the watcher, not the voice I hear. I am the stillness behind every fear. The mind keeps talking, but I don't have to follow. I am the watcher, still and whole. There is the voice, and here I am, listening, watching. From where I stand, it's just a radio playing in a room. I don't have to sit next to it, I don't have to tune. I am not my thoughts, I never was. I am the one who sees them, that is all I was. I am the watcher, not the voice I